Hello, as you know, engaging in daily exercise is essential for a healthy life. By understanding its significance and promoting lifelong participation, we can teach our students its importance through the concept of physical literacy. Fitness monitoring can provide beneficial support in teaching physical literacy and guiding students on their journey to a healthy and physically active life.
The website, alongside the Fitback Fitness Report, also offers a toolkit featuring instructional videos on physical fitness, physical literacy, exercises, and feedback. This all-in-one toolkit is designed to help you effectively use fitness monitoring to improve the learning process and enhance physical literacy. The website and the videos are available in multiple languages.
Teachers can review videos and reports by themselves or together with students, fostering a more engaging and immersive learning experience. This approach helps students acquire lasting knowledge and habits that will empower them to lead active lives.
Hopefully, you'll find our toolkit and web pages useful for your students and teaching. Now, I recommend you start exploring. Until next time.